Again come with another video. Learn how to make ghosting effect in Adobe Premiere Pro. At first, create a PNG frame image. Drag and drop image on video timeline. Click right button on frame image and click edit in Photoshop. Go to window and click properties. From quick action, remove background. Click on file and then click on save. Go to effect tab. Search transform tool. Drag it on frame image. Again search Gaussian blur and drag it on frame image. Go to effect control and set position for frame image exactly showing on video. Shutter angle 55, blurriness 25. Right click on position icon, then go to temporal interpolation and click ease in and second one is out. Use blending mode to color dodge. Hold Alt key from keyboard and drag for another copy. Choose another frame and make it PNG. Drag image on frame and again go to Photoshop and remove background and save. From effect, add transform on second frame. Also add Gaussian blur on second frame. Set position exactly showing on video. Right click on position point, then go to temporal interpolation, then select easy in. Second point, select easy out. Shutter angle 55 and blurriness 25. Blending mode to color dodge. Again hold Alt key and drag frame for another copy. Create third number PNG frame. Drag it on timeline. Click right button. Select Edit in Photoshop. Remove background and save. From Effect, add Transform on third number frame. Set position exactly showing on video. Shutter angle 55. Click right button on position point, then go to temporal interpolation and select Easy In. From second point, select Easy Out. Copy frame by clicking Alt key. Click on position to delete. Newly set position exactly showing on video. Select Eraser tool and cut frame. Also cut video with same position. Select all three frames, click right button and click Next. Copy nested sequence by holding Alt key and drag. Click right button and select Speed and Duration. Mark check on Reserve Speed. Click right button, select Speed and Duration. Use speed 90%. Use opacity 55%. Done. Here is the ghost effect video.